On today's video, my DIY closet makeover.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for
Hey you guys, today is Wednesday. It is almost 12 o'clock and I am cleaning out my closet. And so I have took all the clothes out of my closet and rearranged my organizers. I'm gonna flip y'all around so y'all can see. Okay, as y'all can see, I have two of the cube organizers this way, and I have this one extra one up here. Of course, you know, this little area right here, I'm gonna hang like some stuff here. I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do this. So I don't know which direction I'm gonna go. I'm gonna kind of play it by ear. Now I'm just trying to wipe it down because it did get like some dust and stuff on it. And I just took this one out of the living room that I had because I said I didn't want it in there anymore. I felt like it started to look cluttered. But I'm just wiping it down, and I'm about to figure out what I'm going to hang over here. And I really wanted it. I probably could if I didn't have like that little piece right there. I wanted all three of them going down in a row. Maybe you could, maybe I could not. Anyways, this is how it is, and if I don't like it like this in the long run, I will change it around. But I just trying to get it functional for me. You like, girl, why you just can't have a basic closet like everybody else? I don't want to be basic. I want to make it cute, functional, and aesthetically pleasing. So this is why I have these in here, and I'm just about to figure it out, and I'll get back with y'all in a few. Okay, you guys, so change of plans. I decided to do my closet a different way. I took everything out again. Reason being, I decided to do an accent wall. I'm using this PVC electrical tape, and I purchased this from Dollar Tree. And now I'm just about to use this alcohol to wipe the walls down so the electrical tape can stick better to the wall. Not only am I doing this because my closet need a do-over or it's not functional enough to me, but this is very relaxing. I feel like I'm a creative person and I love to express that in so many ways, and this is one of the ways that I like to let my creative juices to flow. So here at this point, I was just measuring out the electrical tape because I seen the design that I wanted, and it requires the pieces to be a certain size. So this is why I pulled out my ruler. To be honest, I did all this for nothing because I actually didn't go with that design style. You're gonna see me switch up a lot of stuff, and that's one thing that I have noticed when you are doing DIYs or styling different stuff. Sometimes you don't get it right on the first time, but if you keep at it, you'll get it how you want to do. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but just perfect enough for you. But I do strive to get my looks to be perfect. So here I'm just laying down the electrical tape. I really don't have no guide on how I'm styling my accent wall. I'm just going with the flow, and I was trying to make sure that I had my line straight as possible. As you can see, I lift the tape up and, you know, just to check it and make sure it was straight. As you can see, it was kind of curved, so I just lifted it up again and just try to get it straight as possible. And you're gonna notice throughout the video when I'm doing this wall that some of the lines are not perfect. So later in the video, I am going to mention on not stretching the tape, because once you stretch it and what's it like set, it's going to shrink back down to the original form that it was supposed to be in, and that was one of my biggest mistakes, and you will see why I say that later in the video.
finished laying down all the tape.
Okay, y'all, so this is how it's looking. I'm really not trying to like make a lot of shapes with this because it's really gonna be covered, but I just wanted like something back there because like that's gonna be really covered because you ain't gonna really see it. So I'm about to see how it look with the shelves in there. Okay, so this is how the closet is looking now. And so it's gonna be like closed, you know, right there, so you're not really be able to tell. So that's why I'm not really like stressing. I am gonna do this, but I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm gonna see like what I need to do far as like when I put my clothes and stuff in here.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave.
Okay, so this is how I decided to hang some of my jeans. I got this off of TikTok. I will probably show you how I do it in another clip, but this is what I did with a few of my jeans. So as you can see,
Had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
okay, so this is how I decided to do some of my jeans. I do have some more jeans that I have to wash, and I can probably just fill it up with these three. That is my jeans. Okay, so I already had some hangers that I had got from Burt's a couple months ago, sometime last year I want to say, and I still got some more. And I went to Walmart and I purchased this 30 pack of velvet hangers. Velvet beige hangers, and they was $9.98. So hopefully I have enough to, you know, for hanging, because a lot of stuff gonna be, you know, folded and stuff. So
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possible.
okay, you guys, so I came home from work and my closet, let me just show y'all. This is what I came home and my closet was looking like. So mind y'all remember when I told y'all that when I applied it, I learned, I think I told y'all, but I'm not sure if I told y'all. But when you apply this tape, do not stretch it, because once you stretch it, go back to its actual size that it's supposed to be. And that's what happened, y'all. Like, it's gone. So now I have to take all this back out and do this over. And I'm okay with that because, you know, I'm determined to get my closet right and get it functional and get it, you know, aesthetically pleasing. And so I'm not going to do that design. I found me another design that I'm going to do. So this is what we're about to do now. I'm about to take everything out, take the stuff off my wall, and get started on the new design that I want to do. Okay, you guys, I didn't take everything out. I just took some of the stuff out and I got everything cleared. So now I'm just pulling out the tape so I can cut it in different shapes so I can begin to place them on the wall. And to be honest, there is no method of how I'm doing it. I'm just cutting different shapes and just placing it on the wall because this whole wall want to be covered, and that's just that. This is a real definition of trust the process, y'all. It's gonna look better, but this is what it's looking like so far. And the reason why I have that long line of tape right there, just to give me an idea of how far I'm going to go down, and that's where I want to stop it. And voila, this is how much I have got done so far. Okay, you guys, so I'm halfway finished. I really haven't finished much, but I mean, I finished a lot, but I haven't finished a lot. Okay, so as you can see back here, I got to do this part, and to be honest, I bought one pack of the electrical tape, but when I had did the first like geometric like shapes, I kind of wasted it, and it was like balled up in a knot, and so I cut much of it as I could to, you know, still utilize that, but it was just all stuck together. So I just try to stretch it enough so I can kind of like, you know, have that part, you know, straight. But yeah, I have to finish that, and I think I am gonna kind of do half of this over here and this over here. But it turned out good, and y'all, I didn't go down here because I'm gonna have like clothes in that part, and you're really not gonna be able to like see it. So I feel like it really looks good. It does. It actually like a wallpaper, but I feel like it turned out pretty good. What y'all think? And I just cut different type of shape, like geometric like shapes, I guess what you call it, triangles, diamonds. I think it's a trapezoid. Like, if that's what they call y'all, a trapezoid. Where is it? Where that shape is? Where is one? Because I know I have made some. Like that one, I guess. Is this what it's called? It ain't like a perfect one, but, and y'all, when up close, it really not all is perfect, but that's okay. It's in my closet, but I get to see it every day. Ain't nothing that everybody get to see, but it really looks nice. I really do love it. And it did take some time, but it really didn't take as long as I thought it was, you know. So I started on it, you know, yesterday, and I finished a little bit more last night. I finished up this part, you know, this morning. It probably took me another like 30 minutes to like finish it, if so. But that's what it is for right now. Now I'm just still going through some more of my clothes. This is going to be like a couple day process because I had to stop and do this and do that, and I am still currently working. So but I'm determined. But let me get the rest of my clothes hung up so I can start wiping. I mean, not wiping, so we'll wipe them out some more and fill in this and figure out how I'm going to kind of style these, because I kind of do want this part to be seen. But yeah, and then I'm gonna work on that part. Won't be today. That's gonna probably be over the next 2 days or the weekend, because I do have to work the rest of the week. So I'll try to squeeze in much time, but I'm gonna stop rambling and get back to it. So I just wiped it down and cleared it out so I can put the organizer up there. Okay, y'all, so this is the closet now. This is what I did with the top part of my closet. I gotta take that down. Let's put it over there. I kind of got rid of all those colorful boxes and just, you know, kept it. I'm not gonna keep it like this. This is just for now to, you know, so I can go ahead and get stuff back in place, so I can, you know, finish with the organization. But this is what it's looking like so far. And I still got to fill those cubbies And child, I try to get rid of some stuff, but I feel like I still got so much stuff. But this is what it's looking like right now. I'm just obsessed with this right here. This out of everything, this is my favorite part. Like, for real. So I did decide to go to Dollar Tree, and I picked up these lights so I can put them in the closet just to give it a little more of a vibe. So I was recording this at night, and this is how it looks with the lights on and with my ring light on. Y'all, it looks so good. I really loved it. I love how it turned out. And this is with the light still on and my ring light is off. And yes, y'all, I still haven't finished that little spot yet. And I'm going to eventually finish the sides, and I think I want to add a mirror to the side of the wall. But I will keep you posted on that. But that wraps up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. And please don't forget to hit that notification button so you can get alerts when I put up new videos. And I will see you in another video. Goodbye.